Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through setting up PTI Tunnel VIP on your Android device. This simple setup can add an extra layer of protection to your online activity, potentially lead to an enhanced connection, and is designed to provide secure browsing wherever you go. Let's get started. 1. Fire up the Google Play Store. First, locate and open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. 2. Seek out PTI Tunnel VIP. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar and type in PTI Tunnel VIP. Then, tap the search icon. 3. Snag the app. From the search results, find the PTI Tunnel VIP app and tap the Install button to download and install it on your device. 4. Launch the app. After the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the PTI Tunnel VIP application. 5. Access the menu. On the app's main screen, look for the menu icon, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap it to open the app's menu. 6. Update the configuration. Within the menu, select Update Config. This will ensure the app is using the latest server list and configurations. 7. Choose Auto Server. After the configuration update, select Auto Server from the available server options. 8. Select your country/UDP server. Choose your specific country or a UDP server from the list provided, for example, Ghana UDP. 9. Engage the tunnel. Finally, tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection process. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully set up PTI Tunnel VIP, which can add an extra layer of protection, potentially lead to an enhanced connection, and is designed to provide secure browsing. Remember to use VPNs responsibly and in accordance with local laws. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more helpful tutorials.